Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for all things metal roofing in North Carolina. Today we're in Gastonia and we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Mr. Holloway. How are you doing today?
Good.
Awesome, thanks for taking the time to speak with us. So Mr. Holloway, you've been in your home here for about a decade. Can you tell us a little bit about your home?
It's about 75 years old. I think the old original roof was probably the original roof that was on there because it was all,
Wow.
pretty messed up. It wasn't wearing well anymore, so we decided to replace the whole entire roof. Gator gave us a really good price, considering the fact that we had tried other contractors and I'd always heard that metal roofs were more expensive, but come to find out that it really wasn't that much more expensive. And with the warranty and the reliability that you get with a metal roof, we decided to just go with Gator.
So you mentioned that you were having some roof issues and you had an asphalt shingle roof before.
Yes.
Did you have any leaks or anything like that?
Yeah, we had a leak over the bathroom. That was really the only leak that we had that was noticeable.
All you knew is that you had a leak and you needed a new roof fast.
Yeah.
All right, and so you decided to switch to a metal roof. What made you seek out a metal roof?
Just knowing how long that they last.
Yeah.
I had worked on buildings with metal roofs before, and some of the roofs were up to 100 years old. And they were still in very good condition compared to any of the other roofs that I worked on with.
So Mr. Holloway, whenever you decided to pick up the phone and give Gator a call to schedule your free estimate, what did you think about the customer service and just the planning?
I thought it was good. The guy was very articulate about what they were going to do. They showed up on time. They did the whole job in one day. They took everything away except for some extra material that they had ordered for the job, which they gave me because it replaced, it matches exactly the roof that I have on my garage out back too. So it was a win-win situation. I actually have an extra roof out of it, for my son's car.
You mentioned you got 3 other estimates.
Yeah.
Do you feel like you got a good deal with Gator?
Well, yeah, because one of the other estimates was upwards of $20,000
Wow.
from a supposedly reliable roofing company that, of course, they were going to strip it right down to nothing and replace some boards on the roof if it was necessary. But, when I got my roof from Gator, it was just as good of a deal, if not better, and it was going to last, instead of 20-year guarantee, I was getting a lifetime warranty on it.
All right. We love to hear it. So you picked the country red color. Why did you pick that color?
Because everything in my yard is painted country red, and I thought it looked good with the white house. It makes it pop, kind of,
Yeah.
and it gives it a lot more curb appeal. So, plus, I like the color, and it's going to last forever.
Sounds good, and it looks beautiful. Your roof is absolutely stunning, and it matches so very well with everything that you have going on. So I love that you picked that color. Mr. Holloway, would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
Oh, sure, I already have. Yeah, told a bunch of people, that if you're gonna replace your roof, check out the metal roofs first.
Yeah.
And get a price so when the shingle guys come, you've got something, you can look at and say, well, I can get a metal roof for same price.
Yeah.
And then people will start to understand how much of a better deal the metal roofs really are.
Yes. Awesome. So it seems like you are one of the only metal roofs here on your street. Have your neighbors mentioned or seen your metal roof?
Yeah, somebody did, because the guy in the back, they had a small fire in the house in the rear.
Oh, wow.
Over there.
Yeah.
And when they did the replacement work, to rebuild the house on the inside, they also threw another roof on it. I think they saw the job, and then they
wanted a metal roof.
They saw the sign that I had in my yard, I think, and I think they called Gator.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
All right. Thank you.